Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sanchita. I create videos on books. Today I have Ghost Ship by Clive Cussler and Graham Brown. This novel was published in 2014, which makes it a modern fiction. This is part of the Numa Files series. Numa stands for National Underwater and Maritime Agency, which is a fictional organization. The central characters are Kurt Austin and Joe Zavala, who are both working in this organization. Kurt gets severely injured while trying to save the family of a friend in a yacht stuck in a sea storm. When he wakes up, he is unable to remember anything. He decides to investigate the entire incident. This takes him on a roller coaster ride across the world where he faces cybercrime and life-threatening situations. He is supported by his ever-loyal friend Joe Zavala. This book is a nice balance of mystery and adventure. Will Kurt be able to find the answers to his questions? Will Joe be able to save his friend and get the criminals punished? Why is the name of the book The Ghost Ship? You can only find out by reading the book. There are situations in life when there is a conflict between the mind and the heart. While the mind gives the logical approach, the heart only has assumptions. Following the heart means venturing into the unknown with just assumptions. You are bound to face setbacks and challenges. This could be something like starting a new venture or going into a completely different profession or signing up for that marathon. People may even consider you crazy. Kurt also faced a similar situation when he decided to investigate the yacht incident from scratch. But he trusted his heart and went on. If we are ready to work hard and learn from each failure, then we can turn the tides for ourselves. Let me know in comments if you have ever faced this kind of a situation. If we work hard, then people will start trusting us. What do you think? Let me know if you agree to this. Besides the characters of Kurt and Joe, the other characters have also been drawn nicely. This book contains maritime events which happened across decades. So initially it might appear a bit confusing, but as you continue reading, all pieces would fall into place like a jigsaw puzzle. The author has managed to create nice, breathtaking, nail-biting moments in this book. I would recommend this book to read if you are above 18. There are certain technical terms like barge, fast rescue craft, etc. I would have preferred to have a small image of this because I had to go into the Google and search what they are or how they look. Besides that, it's a very thick book, so make sure you have a lot of time. It will be a good companion on a long journey or a very lazy long weekend. Otherwise, it's a nice book to read. You can add it to your TBR. If you have already read it, do let me know in comments how you felt after reading it. For more such reviews, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.